What's up, guys? I'm Megan. Today, I'm going to teach you another fantastic recipe that works for anyone. Let's get started. I'm about to reveal 3 atomic teas that burn fat quickly, naturally, and deliciously. These powerful blends are backed by science, super easy to make, and start working from the first cup. If you're looking to slim down without crazy diets or complicated routines, this is your moment. Stay with me until the end, because not only will you learn how to spice up your routine with incredible flavors and visible results, but I've also got a special gift waiting for you at the end of this video. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with our first fat-burning tea, powerful diuretic blend that helps you eliminate excess fluids and torch fat naturally. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of horsetail tea or dried lemongrass, 2 slices of pineapple, a small carrot, and 2 ice cubes. How to prepare it? Boil the coconut water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the horsetail tea or lemongrass and let it steep. Allow it to cool completely. Once cooled, toss it into a blender along with the pineapple, carrot, and ice cubes. Blend it all together until smooth, and that's it. Drink it right away while it's fresh and packed with benefits. This tea doesn't just hydrate, it helps detox your body, reduce bloating, and support fat loss from the very first glass. Ready for tea number 2? This is a classic fat-burning combo that never fails. Green tea with ginger and lemon. It's powerful, energizing, and perfect for boosting your metabolism naturally. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of green tea leaves, dried, 1 piece of fresh ginger, about 2 centimeters, juice of half a lemon, and 1 cup of water. How to prepare it? Boil the water in a kettle or pot. Add the thin slices of the fresh ginger and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, add the green tea leaves, and steep for another 3 to 5 minutes. Strain the tea, add the freshly squeezed lemon juice, stir well, and enjoy it while it's still hot for maximum effect. Why it works. Green tea is rich in catechins that fire up your metabolism and help burn fat. Ginger is thermogenic. It literally heats up your body to help you burn more calories naturally. Lemon adds a detoxifying boost, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants to aid digestion and cleanse the system. This tea isn't just warm and comforting, it's a metabolism booster in a cup. Drink it daily and let your body do the work for you. Stay tuned for tea number 3. It might become your favorite. And now, tea number 3, the perfect combo of warmth, flavor, and fat-burning power, cinnamon and apple tea. It's comforting, detoxifying, and helps your body burn more calories even while you relax. Ingredients: 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 apple, preferably organic, skin on, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. How to prepare? In a pot, boil the water with the cinnamon stick for about 5 minutes. While that simmers, cut the apple into small pieces. No need to peel it. Add the apple to the pot and let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Strain your tea, add honey if you want a touch of sweetness, and sip it warm and let the benefits flow through your body. Why it works? Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and has thermogenic properties that boost your metabolism. Apple is loaded with fiber to aid digestion and help you feel full longer. Honey, optional, adds a natural touch of sweetness and antioxidants. This tea is a fat-burning delight, especially comforting on colder days or evenings. Add it to your nightly routine and let your metabolism stay active even at rest. You can enjoy these teas throughout the day, especially in the morning or right before meals, to help speed up your metabolism and boost fat burning. But remember, they work even better when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. These teas are helpers. You are the real secret to transformation. Now it's time for your gift. I've put together a free ebook with a simple, practical meal plan to help you lose weight, no matter your starting point or daily routine. Just check the first comment below, it's pinned and ready for you to download, totally free. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment sharing your experience with the teas, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the amazing recipes coming next. Let's keep this journey going. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.